against that.
Does he smoke?
Do it again.
No.
I just assumed.
No.
He's way past that gift.
No, he's always hated
He
it.
moved up the coke.
No, he started with that.
Start.
Weed's for pussies.
No. He says it smells bad.
It does.
It does.
I agree with him.
And he just won't do it.
Cold.
Shut up.
See, that makes me like him a little bit, and also makes me not like him a little bit, because, yeah, he doesn't like weed for the same reasons I do, but he does coke instead.
I haven't seen you like 2 days.
I know. Fuck.
Fuck you know where I live.
I'm not gonna go there knowing the way John feels about me. Sorry.
Whoa, what happened with John?
John hates all of his friends.
I think the only one that he doesn't actually have a problem with is you.
Yay!
He doesn't like Josh because Josh turned him down back in the day.